In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode for Google Tasks on iPhone. If you've looked inside Google Tasks for a theme switch and couldn't find one, that's because the app follows your iPhone's overall appearance setting. On iOS 13 and later, apps that support dark mode automatically adjust based on your system preference. So to make Google Tasks use a dark theme, you simply change your iPhone's appearance to dark. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is the gray icon with gears on your home screen or app library. You don't need to open Google Tasks for this. Everything happens at the system level, and Google Tasks will follow along automatically once the change is made. Next, in Settings, scroll and tap Display and Brightness. This area controls how things look across your device, including text size, brightness, and the overall appearance. Think of it as the central hub for visual preferences on your iPhone. Now at the very top of the Display and Brightness screen, you'll see the Appearance section with two options, Light and Dark. Tap Dark. As soon as you select it, your iPhone switches to dark mode system-wide. You'll notice the settings screen itself dims and adopts a darker background right away. That immediate change is a good sign that the new appearance is active. Because Google Tasks respects this system setting, it will present its interface in dark tones the next time you use it without any extra configuration in the app. A few helpful notes to make this smoother. Dark mode is available on iOS 13 and newer, so if you don't see the appearance section, your device might be running an older version of iOS and would need an update to use this feature. Also, some apps can take a moment to reflect the new appearance. That's normal and just depends on whether the app is already open in the background. Dark mode can be especially useful in low light environments, reducing glare and eye strain, and it can look great with Google's minimalist design and tasks. If at any point you decide you prefer a lighter look, you can return to Display and Brightness and choose Light again. The process is identical, and Google Tasks will switch to match your selection. That's all there is to it. By setting your iPhone's appearance to dark, you've enabled dark mode for Google Tasks and any other supported apps on your device. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more comfortable, darker interface in your task list.